So back here on the Galaxie, we figured out why our brake lights stay on. This aftermarket new reman, who knows what it is, master. Look at that. That would keep pressure on the brake system and make it drag, because the factory push rod is non-adjustable. Wick and I are thinking the depth is off on the inside of this master. Alright, so we've pulled our original push rod out. All it is this E-clip. Gonna pop that off, and out she comes. Alright, we have our adjustable push rod in. We have it about 7/16 shorter than the OEM one. So we've got it in there and clipped and bushed. And I'm gonna get the other half assembled, and we're gonna give this a try. Going back to the stop now, which it never really did before. And there's definitely not any preload because our brake lights aren't sticking. Wick's gonna go for the old try. So we've taken the boot off just to check our engagement, and we have quite a bit of free play. So I'm going to adjust right there, and we should be looking good. We'll get it into where we have just a hair of free play before it starts pushing on our pedal there. Alright, adjustment time. So after I adjusted the brake pedal, we had a little issue with brake lights not wanting to work. And last week we put a jumper in because the left side didn't want to work. So now we got through it and we checked for continuity everywhere, took our jumper out, and now everything randomly, magically works. Wick's gonna go try it with the pedal readjusted and see what we got. Got our brake situation all addressed. Our lighting's all handled. Pulling off the valve covers because we want to latch the valves. And I'm gonna rant about it. Fucking silicone everywhere. Like, holy shit. Bitch. I'm gonna bitch about fucking silicone. Wick, you wanna bitch about silicone?
It's alright. Yeah.
Alright. Fucking silicone. Just incredible. It's unbelievable. I haven't even pulled this all the way off yet, and I'm already perturbed. Look at all that fucking goddamn silicone. I hate silicone in places it doesn't belong. Like valve cover gaskets and boobs. Gotta be a real moron to silicone valve cover shut on a motor that has solid lifters that you need to adjust. Oh, God. Round 2, silicone. Well, this side's easier, I guess.